Have you ever faced a frustrating issue with your Facebook Messenger app? If you've encountered the dreaded insufficient permission message while trying to subscribe your webhook, you're not alone. Today, we're going to unravel this mystery together. I totally understand how annoying it can be when everything seems to be in order, yet you still hit a wall. You're the owner and admin, and it just doesn't make sense. Trust me, this is a common issue that many developers face. Let's dive into the specifics. One user recently reported that their webhook was unsubscribed from their Facebook page. Now, when they try to subscribe again, they receive an error message stating insufficient permission. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? This issue often arises due to permission settings or changes in Facebook's API policies. We'll break down the possible reasons and solutions step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could save you a lot of headaches in the future. First, the user should check the permissions of their Facebook app. They need to ensure that the app has the necessary permissions to access the page events. This can be done by visiting the Facebook developer portal. Next, the user should verify that the Facebook page is correctly linked to the app. They can do this by checking the app settings in the Facebook developer portal and ensuring the page is listed under the app settings. After confirming the app permissions and page link, the user should try resubscribing the webhook. They can do this by using the Facebook Graph API to subscribe to the page events again. If the issue persists, the user should check for any recent changes in Facebook's policies or updates that might affect webhook subscriptions. Keeping up with the Facebook developer documentation can provide insights. Lastly, if none of these steps resolve the issue, the user may consider reaching out to Facebook support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on the user's account and app settings. Fun fact, did you know that Facebook's API is constantly evolving? Keeping up with changes can feel like a full-time job. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests generating a new page access token. To do this, go to your Facebook developer dashboard, open the Messenger tab, select your page, and generate the token. Then, use this token in your bot. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly review your app permissions and access tokens. This simple habit can prevent many headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the insufficient permission issue and get your webhook back on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.